Gold's very interesting at the moment. We've seen that gold itself has been pressured recently on US dollar gains and rising real yields. You can see it's just fallen to that key support area around that 1960, 1900 region. Now, if we take a look at the chart here, you can see that when you have rising real yields, and I've used TIPS as a proxy for real yields, and the rising dollar, when you have these moving together, you see that that has a big impact on gold. So when you have real yields and the dollar falling, that lifts gold. But conversely, when you have real yields and the dollar rising, that is a natural headwind for gold. And we've seen gold falling recently. Now, many analysts are still expecting the case to remain bullish for gold, with US rates expected to fall and sterling markets seeing 2 rate cuts this year, and yields also expected to fall on those interest rate expectations. Does this dip seem attractive? And if gold dips any further, is that an attractive dip to potentially buy? Now, there's some interesting seasonals here for gold that you need to be aware of. If you look at gold, you can see that it tends to have 2 sort of major periods of strength around the turn of the year, with January, December being very strong months, and the summer months of July and August, which is attributed largely to the Indian wedding season, which tends to see an uptick in physical demand for gold. If you take a look here from sort of the middle of July, you can see there's a nice sort of pattern here over the last 15 years, 80% gains with a 3% average return, and very interesting seasonal pattern. So does this mean any deeper dips in gold are well worth looking out for ahead of this summer seasonal pattern? The biggest risk here, of course, is if the path of US rates turns more aggressive. That should support the US dollar and real yields higher. Also, any further US dollar bids can weaken gold. These will be a natural headwinds for gold. What we've spoken about here in this video is seasonal analysis surrounding Microsoft. We want to put seasonals, fundamentals, and technicals all together for a great trade. We have the latest high probability swing trade setup for you ready to grab right now. Just click below this video and we'll send to you the current seasonal swing trade pick for the current month straight away.